Today we just wake up. We're here in Indonesia finally after a long trip. Slept pretty good last night, surprisingly. After changing time zones and everything, sometimes it's a bit of a struggle to sleep all night, but seem to get through.
I had some breakfast. More or less everything they had to offer we grabbed, at least me. They made some eggs for us, that was perfect, and I had some fruit there, some bread, peanut butter, jelly. Top breakfast for me.
26 hours and it's like that, eh? Where is the track?
In the 21 minutes episode.
Oh yeah, he has a special place. He hides the key, and then he go to grab it, and the lizard come out from behind the wall, the painting on the wall. Almost jumped on all three of us, so we all weren't expecting it. Had to jump out the way. All of us nearly ran. So a little bit of a surprise.
How was the weather? You enjoy it?
Yeah.
I mean, it's quite warm here. Done a little bit of training, and then now we're at the pool, just relaxing. I think it's like 32 degrees or something, so it's quite warm. And now we're just relaxed for the rest of the day.
How was the run?
Yeah, very good. Very nice, very hot. I like.
Sofa.
Is that better?
Can't complain. We're over here in the sun in Indonesia. Sometimes in Holland the weather doesn't get over 22 degrees. So can't complain. Nah, joking. Only saying that because there's Dutch people around. And they don't lag.
We went to the track, had a look at that. It was pretty spectacular.
Need rubbing on the nose.
Isn't that nice, no?
The track will be really hard, even if it rains very long. Many times we come on the track and I say, oh, this is big jump, that's big, and then first, second lap, everybody jump it already.
Three jumps. Jump it.
Very steep. Very steep.
Actually now it's some wind in the air, so it's not too bad, but it's really humid here, so it's sure going to be a tough weekend.